This is really another experiment in printing with flexible filament, TPU in this case, on my TronXY X1, which is a Bowden printer. The design process is very straightforward. Digital calipers copy this strap from the original. There's a 2mm cylindrical hole where the strap connects to the spring-loaded pin on the watch. This hole is oversized by 2x to accommodate the fact that the hole tends to collapse when you 3D print it in flexible filament. 2 top, 2 bottom layers and a honeycomb hexagonal infill. The print quality is pretty much flawless, which I've come to expect from the TronXY X1, even with TPU on an unmodified machine. The black colour you can see in the holes is caused by a drill which I used to open them up, which was contaminated with black PLA, so nothing to do with the printer. This is my workshop watch, and I've been wearing this half a strap for a couple of weeks now, and it's entirely fine. There are no problems with it whatsoever. This project was really an itch that I had to scratch, but it gives me a cheeky little smile every time I look at the time. And it's another foray into the world of flexible filament printing. No problems whatsoever printing this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Give us a like if you did, sign up if you'd like to see some more, and thanks for watching.